Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to animate Saber outline in After Effects using Saber plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, this is our video. Okay, now I'll go to tools, go to rectangle tool and I'll choose ellipse tool. Okay, and I'll add a mask like that. Go to mask and I'll change it to none. Then I'll go to selection tool, double click, and after placing the ellipse, I'm now adjusting the mask to fit the car frame. Okay, also you can go to the pen tool and if you need to move any of these individual points, you can adjust them however you like, just like that. Okay, okay, now I'll go to tracker. Okay, and if you don't see tracker from here, uh, and if you don't see tracker here, so you can go to window and just check tracker from here. Where is it? Tracker. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll go to mask and I'll choose position, scale, rotation, and skew. Okay. And play. Of course, make sure that you are on the first frame of the timeline. After that, After Effects will take a little time to analyze the footage and track the mask through the video. So just waiting. Okay. Okay, now it's done and we have a lot of keyframes have been generated. Now I'll go to Effect and Video Copilot and I'll add Saber. Then I'll go to customize core and I'll choose layer mask. I'll go to render settings and I'll change black to add like that. Okay, then I'll go to select and I'll select neon. Okay, and I'll add some changes here. So I'll go to intensity, let me decrease it a little bit, and also glow, I'll increase it, and glow speed, let me also increase it something like that. Okay, yeah, so let me see this, play. Yeah, this is very cool. Okay, so let me animate Saber. So I'll go to first frame, then I'll keyframe on start offset, then few frames forward, and sorry, go to first frame and I'll change it to 100. Then I'll go few frames forward and I'll change it to 0. Okay, yeah, like that. Again, few frames forward and I'll change it to 100. Again, I'll change it to 0 and see. Okay, yeah. So now I'll go to first frame again, mask evolution, keyframe, then I'll go to last one and I'll change it to 4. So let me see this animation. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, now I want to add another one here. So Control D to copy, then I'll remove this mask from here. Make sure that you are on the first frame, then again I go to tools and I'll add another mask here and I'll change it to none. Go to selection, double click, and let me handle it like that. Okay, yeah. So again, I'll go to mask, tracker and play. Okay, now we are finished. So let me change this color to maybe something like that, and I'll change it to litten. Okay, and also I'll go to first frame and I want to just change start offset. I'll go to end offset and I'll change it to 0, go few frames forward and change it to 100 again, and I'll change it to 0 again, 100. Okay, again I'll go to first frame, mask evolution, keyframe, I'll go to last frame and let me change it to 5 and see this. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.